This how to 1 minute will show you how to backup WordPress website from cpanel. So first of all, log into your cpanel and click on the search toolbox and type here backup and click on backup. And here you can download a full account backup by clicking here, or you can backup your home directory from here, and you can backup your MySQL databases from here. You can backup your email forwarders from here. So I'm going to clicking on download a full account backup. Backup destination, select here, enter here your email address and click on generate backup, and it may take some time to get the backup file. You will receive an email at the address you specified. So this is how we can backup WordPress website from cpanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.